So you see me install a lot of different carpets in a couple of different trucks, but there's a lot of peripheral that you're going to want to get at the same time I haven't had an opportunity to talk about in the past. First thing we're going to want to look at is what goes underneath the carpet, the sound deadening. So if you're do-it-yourselfer, we got these nice big universal ones you can just cut up any way you want and install. A nice way to go. Another way that I like a little bit better though is the kits that come specifically made for your truck. Everything's already cut up to go into your specific spots, because everywhere there's a bend and everything like that, you have to cut it up into that specific bend. Otherwise you're going to end up with pockets in there. They can harbor moisture, which can bring your rust back and things. So having them cut for you all ready to go is a really nice time saver. The kit also comes with this sound deadening right here. Now you might think to yourself, well Dave, why isn't there a ton of sound deadening? Why are these small strips? And that's because you actually don't need a giant sheet of sound deadening on there. If you do, it is several hundred pounds literally to wrap your entire cab in sound deadening. But technically speaking, if you have a foot of sheet metal, you only need a 1-inch square of sound deadening on there to dull the metal out. So putting a bunch of sound deadening in there like this is going to take a lot of time, because you have to cut it all up too. You also have to make sure you don't have any air pockets in there. They will harbor moisture. It will rust in the future. You don't want that. So we've got these right here already set for you nice and easy. Even comes with the glue you're going to need to stick this down, and it comes with this silver tape right here. And what you do with this is that on all your seams you tape up all of the edges, and you don't have any gaps for the heat or the noise to come through. So really nice way to go with this. This is my favorite way, really. Now going with your shiny stuff, and you don't want to get your carpet in there and it's looking all nice and neat, and then your sill plates are all old and rusty and stuff. So you got two different choices. You've got chrome or stainless steel. Now I actually can't tell the difference between the two. Chrome is nice, of course, everybody likes chrome, but over the years if it gets dirty and wet it will rust, whereas stainless steel won't do that. Now sometimes it'll dull down a little bit, but you can always polish stainless steel up almost forever, whereas chrome, it's only going to last until the chrome flakes off. Now just past the sill plate, if you will, on your rocker, on the top of that rocker right there, a lot of times you drop keys and tools on there, they get all chipped up, you got a nice painted truck, and then you got all this damage down there. So what we do for that is we have these right here, and it just goes right on top of the rocker, and it covers all of those up and protects your paint, and it looks good too, because this is stainless steel also. Now if your carpet's all in there and your brake pedals and your gas pedals are old and tired and looking, it's not going to be as attractive as you can get. So when you're at the catalog or on our website and you're checking out everything, make sure you check out your gas pedals. We got quite a few choices in that too. You've got just your regular old standard. You've got the little bit nicer looking ones here. You've got the 71, 72 gas pedal right here. And on all of these, we have these covers that you can put on and then dress it up. It just goes right over the cover, and then you just bend these tabs down. So it's a really nice way to dress it up, nice and easy and quick, and you can get it for your gas pedal and for your brake pedal also. Now here's your 64 all the way to 70 gas pedal. This is a little bit different from some of your other gas pedals because you're going to need these bolts right here. Now a lot of times when you take your trucks apart, these get taken out and then you just forget that that's what's in there, because it's just another bolt hole in the floor. But this is actually how the gas pedal holds on. It goes right into these pockets right here. So make sure you order these at the same time if you have a 64 to 72 gas pedal, because if these are missing or all rusted out, you've got nothing for this gas pedal to be able to attach to. You can even get these billet ones we've got going on right here, and we've got a blacked out style too if you're going to go with more of a black out look. So what I want you to do for me is go to the website, order our catalog, check out all your choices, and order everything all at once so you can knock out the job one shot and you don't have to call back for more stuff. My name's David Welch. I'm at Brothers Tech Center every single week, making sure your truck gets back on the road and looks good too. You make sure you check us on Facebook and Instagram, subscribe to the YouTube channel like I'm always begging you to do. If you subscribe, next time I'll get a haircut and I'll even look even better. We'll see you then.